Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. To my new subscribers, thank you so much for stopping by, and to my returning subscribers, thank you so much for your support. So in today's tutorial, we want to learn how to cut and sew this beautiful gathered skirt you see on the screen. So this is the material that I'm using. So without wasting much of our time, let's go straight into the tutorial. We are going to use a very simple method to sew this skirt. So even if you are a beginner, you will sew it very easy. So the measurement you need is your waist measurement and the length of the skirt. As you can see, the skirt, there is a joining, another gathered towards the knee. So you will determine how long you want that the smaller gathers to be and the actual length of the skirt. For this project, I want the length of the skirt to be 28 inches with folding, that is the hemming of the down part. So the actual length of the skirt, as I said earlier, I want it to be 28 inches. Then the smallest gathered, the joining above the knee line, I want it to be 8 inches. So from my waist to the smaller gathered will be like 18 inches. Then from 18 to 26 will be my joining, and then 2 inches will be for the folding. Then coming to the waistband, I want to make use of 1.5. Then I'm going to use half of an inch to join the waistband, half of an inch to join the smaller gather above the knee line. So the upper part now, I will cut a long strip of fabric that will measure the width of 18.5. So without wasting much of our time, I believe you get all the explanation. Let's do the cutting. I will place the wrong part of my fabric to do the measurement. So starting here from the edge, I'm going to measure my 18.5 inches. So I'm going to cut my fabric. So now I will go to my sewing machine. I'm going to gather it. So I'm gathering it, I'll be measuring it when I get to my waist measurement. That is 35 inches plus the same allowance. I will stop. So I'll finish gathering up to my waist measurement plus zipper allowance. Can you see? So to get the actual measurement of the fabric that will gather around your waist, should be your waist measurement times 3 should be enough, depending on how big your gather is. Like this, this size is about times 3 of my waist measurement, but I believe you can manage 2.5. That's your waist measurement times 2.5 to still be enough. So now the next step will be for me to cut another fabric that I will attach. I will gather at the hem part. So I've cut the material already. So this was 10 inches before my folding. So the next thing will be for me to take to my sewing machine. I'll take this strip, this long strip, to my sewing machine. I will gather it, tiny gathers, to the hemline. As I'm gathering, I'll be measuring it to see if it's up to the hem of this other one. So let's go to the sewing machine. Can you see my gathers? I have gathered it. So now the next thing will be for me to take it to my sewing machine and join to the other piece. So I will place right side facing each other. I'll pin it down. So finish joining the down part. Can you see? This is the down part. The next thing is for me to measure the waist, which is 35 inches. Then I will grab my fabric and I will measure 35 inches. This is my 35 inches. I will add my seam allowance, which is the zipper allowance. So I will mark that point. Remember I said I want to make use of 1.5 inches waistband. So I'm going to cut 4 inches. 4 inches. When I fold into 2, I will have 2. Then I will use half of an inch to join it to my skirt and half of an inch to turn it in. So in total, I'm going to cut 4 inches by 37. So I'll measure my 4 inches. You can decide to make use of 5 inches. That is, when you make use of 5 inches, you will have 2 inches waistband. If you are using the same fabric to turn it, so you can use your lining if you don't have enough fabric. So I've ironed my interface. Can you see? So the next thing will be for me to pin this to my skirt. So I have attached one side of the band. Can you see? This is the right side. So the next thing I'm doing now will be for me to attach my zipper and show the side seam. So this is the zipper I am using. My zipper is going to zip up to my waistband. So I'll determine where my zipper will stop. My zipper will stop 1 inch above my hip line. Starting from the center of my waistband, because I'm going to fold it this way. I will mark my 9 inches. That is my 9 inches. Then 2 inches all through. 1.5 inches. I will go to my sewing machine and join from here to the down part. So I've attached my zipper, and I have joined the side seam. So what I will do now will be for me to complete the waistband. I will just fold it this way, then I will sew. I'll be careful while sewing so that I don't step on my zipper tip. I will sew it to this point. See how it will be. Sew it to this point. Then I'm going to turn it outside this way. So let's go to the sewing machine. This is how it will look like when I turn it out. Can you see? So now I will do same to the other side. See how it looks like after turning it inside out. So next thing now will be for me to go ahead and finish up the waistband by covering it this way and stitch it all around. So this is the final outcome. Can you see the waistband? Everything has been shown. Can you see? This is the waistband. This is my zipper. Can you see? I'll go and iron it now. Then I will bring the final outcome of this beautiful skirt. This is the final outcome of the beautiful skirt. Can you see how beautiful it looks like? Thank you so much, guys, for watching. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that once I upload new tutorial, you'll be first to be notified. See you on our next video. Bye bye.